Dilolostro YouTube channel. La hilesh go deep.
Okay, ngene xigodini namuntlha mi fike kona xigodini xa mampela.
Mininjere Philani va dye biriviri naswona va lava ku ya mangala nandzu emaphoriseni va mangalela xiyimbeleri Papa Rhulani ntukulu wa N'wachapu. Endzhaku ka loko xiyimbeleri Papa Rhulani ntukulu wa N'wachapu va ta va endle nkandziyiso thwi laha va karhi va cakanyeta kumbexani ku vulavula ku vava hi mutswari wa mininjere Philani. Leswi swi fike swi nga khomi kahle mininjere Philani se va kombisa leswaku va lava ku ya pfula nandzu emaphoriseni eka marito lama Papa Rhulani va nga ma vulavula hi mutswari wa vona wa xisati. Kasi hi ngeza ya kwalano hi fike vona mininjere Philani va hi tivisa leswaku ku sukusela sweswiwani va ta va karhi va tirhisana na xiyimbeleri dokodela Sandile Chabalala lava nga ta va ri hansi ka vona eka Philani Music Productions. Kasi masikunyana ndzhaku mininjere Philani va tivisa leswaku DJ Number na vona ve le hansi ka vona.
Announcing this to you now. I've announced it on social media like Facebook. I've announced one TV set market DJ Number kutaba karatela na mina kusuka PMP Philani Music Production. I've added another icon by the name of Dr. Sandile Chabalala.
Leswi ku nga mhaka ya kahle swinene hi swi bela mandla sweswo. Se mi ta tsundzuka nkandziyiso lowu nga endliwa hi xiyimbeleri Papa Rhulani va karhi va chinga swinene. Mo hi mi twisanyana xiphemu xitsongo laha Papa Rhulani a va karhi va nga vulavuli kahle hi mutswari wa mininjere Philani. Xiphemu xa kona hi lexiwani.
Papa Rhulani mina leswi mbana mi byela xona ni we n'wasimanga ni mali yaleyo famba 7 mani wa wona khiva hi yona 15,000 ya mina u na mbhuri wo fone boti wa mina u mbalavula thyaka boti wa mina ku he boti wa mina u bayisa boti wa mina loko boti wa mina mbara mhana wena va famba ku va cinela miti ya vanhu va cina xibelana miti ya vanhu na vusiku
tereka xa Papa Rhulani ku va right na loko ni nga ha ri kona
yena nga dya mali ya mina kambe mali muni hi byela vaseketeri kambe mali ya nga yi dya a nga komba wena
u ni kombe 90,000
90,000 loko ni tirha na yena hi nghoma i absence gazeni loko hi ta mi byela vaseketeri va mina ni byela n'wina vaseketeri va mina hayi valala u dyi 90,000 loko a komba loko ni ya tirha na n'wamara matsako loyiwani wa ka kobani va malamuleza wa tikomba ku u twa ndlala kama famba rhanga u badulu leriya ra maveleriya u maka yindlunyana la ka n'wina i tlhe i byela nyini wa wena ku va tshika ku huwa hi ku va ponini ka community ku rahiwa hi ku boha xibelani xa vusiku.
Mi ta va mi swi twini leswaku Papa Rhulani a ve le ku vulavuleni kahle hi mutswari wa un'wanyani munhu. Se namuntlha mininjere Philani va endli nkandziyiso thwi ka xiyenge xa mabulu xa Facebook laha va nga swi kombisa kahle leswaku va karhele ku va mhaka leyiwani va yi tshika va lava ku teka mhaka leyiwani va yisa enawini ku va va mangala nandzu emaphoriseni va mangalela xiyimbeleri Papa Rhulani. Nkandziyiso wa mininjere Philani hi lowu.
Video kona it's related to this guy Rhulani, Papa Rhulani, not this other guy wa Rutama Tembisa luya amekumengo iforumani. So the guy, I don't know what's going on his mind. Papa Rhulani doesn't have a smartphone. The guy all along from Tembisa, he called himself manager Papa Rhulani. Yes, he went to Freedom Park akataven kwalayano take wa phone. We saw the video every time Papa Rhulani, they want that fame which I believe they enjoy, they enjoy so much without the reason. On the video I can say video and it's very, very disturbing. Good people, it's very disturbing. I receive a call from the people that I am here to defend them. What's happened? That guy, Mingo Iforoman, who create a platform every time to outshine me. Like, I don't know, since the introduction of DJ Number, maybe you want to try to make some sabotage or the attention must be moved to Gagayan. And attention he was given a chance by people on TV. Remember the time the awards, the Xma 18. Keep on insulting people, beefs and stuff. I'm not interested in that, and I don't have that energy to respond on him. I've never responded on him, ever. I've never responded on him, and I won't. Come on, imagine the whole Philani responding to that guy, achieving nothing, and I have nothing bad to say about him. I'll be lying, guys. I have nothing bad to say about him. That's me for you. Anina should be. I think ata shubula mfana luya wango insako ati utara kama manager Papa Rhulani. Anan shubula sha bad here. People, this has gone too far. I've got multiple videos where my mother, was insulted by this guy, only to find God he'd been given the platform to insult my mother. And so can summon Rogetara Manamun G. Manamina Rogetelushne. That guy, he lost his mother long time ago, Papa Rhulani. Manero Valovini, now the responsibility is laying on my mom. Maname Vastiva. Now I'm being accused of 90,000. Guys, cut that video. I've noted one or two things. One of this thing you go. The guy urme ni mkumbi 90,000 ya option gazini 90,000 kuri nkumbi ndlela yi ku sasifika laka kwanda umesa bank nkomba kuba ku sometimes bana batlharanga kufana, and I won't blame him. Whatever is disturbing his mind, I don't know whether it's an influence of alcohol or whether it's sinking that attention. Even if today he can go live, TikTok or whatever, let him talk. But this time around, it has come to an end. I'm telling you, it has come to an end. I am not going to tolerate this, and thank God I am not the only one who's going to take these actions. It's a family. My mother is being accused of being a witch. Manami naba lawyer, which is a case. Manami naba dele manaye. Manaye naba fini bana manami. Manami naba alaba tsamako kamkhumi bambarisa uthayela, bambarisa uthayela bala ku hisiwa bapona mathayela, bashelwa bambala tikhiba shubu yini. Manami, my mother. I will never just come on social media, guys, and tsagisa manami naba karba humility wa week in week out. This time around, I am going to set the standard. Anze tsamanta fika celebrate ku babseka or ku vulavula ka munhu un'wana ni ku natsaka so what I'm going to say, guys, this thing of bona ba ya ka live afika vulavula ba ku hey ku katswa mana mina ku vulavula yena. So guys, I am not going to waste your time, but I'm going to take drastically actions against this, in which I will allow the law to take its course. Because guys, I've been good to Papa Rhulani. You know that. You've seen it. I even asked him on a video, how much do I owe you? I was like, I'm going to 10,000, 605. Namut level got 90,000. Salani producer, he did him 1 million views. Was accused of. So, you know, the guy will get them manamina. And I'm going to lay charges against him. Like, why people say, why don't you protect your mother? Hey guys, this is the time I put a stop. Nila protect the manamina. Hey manamina ba lawyer. Hey manamina ba daya. Hey manamina ba dele mana Papa Rhulani. Hey manamina amasimwini. Hey kuna dulu, very in. My mother, misleka na mi saka the TikTok. And I thank God he doesn't know my mother. Like Matiba, like he might have met my mother once, maybe. But it claims like everyone's mother is so simple. Guys, let's be fair. You know, I can only come here and Roketela. In a funny way, and people can laugh. And I think I'm directing that thing to some people into a point of upset. No. So guys, I don't want to lie.
Okay, ngelish godeni la month. Na month amfike kona godeni shaman.